Bagel boys and girls, we've got a problem. Over the course of 35 years, we've got rust spots. You might be thinking how I'm gonna get rid of them rust spots. The easy way would just to take a little bit of maybe 80 grit sandpaper, sand it down, and then just use like a rust remover and then paint it. But if anybody knows me, who does know me like they know me, I don't do things the easy way. So I'm gonna cut this whole wheel well out. Look at that one, that's just awesome. All jokes aside, along with the rust, cutting this wheel well out will also solve another problem. Can you see that big fucking hernia? It looks like shit. And it's scraping. So, to kill two birds with one stone, it doesn't actually kill any birds because it's not really even a problem, but for an upcoming video, I need to know how to grind, how to weld, and I haven't grinded or welded pretty much since high school. I'm gonna shut up and we'll just start grinding it out, and then I'll just keep showing you what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So the first thing I gotta check is if I've actually got enough sheet steel. 60, 70 centimeters. And it's a circle, so it would also be 70 centimeters this way. Oh shit. Well, fuck, I think it's raining. Well, it's gonna be a close one, but we've got enough. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna cut accurately on that line. So now I'm just going to cut it. I've measured once, so I'll probably have to cut it twice. This is going to be loud. After a quick look under there, which I didn't do before, I've just realised that there's an exhaust hanger that attaches right to that wheel well. Fuck. So that's shit, but I don't give a fuck. We're just gonna move around that. I'm gonna cut it off anyway. And like any P-plater, I might end up just removing my muffler so that it sounds cool as a mofo. So I'm just gonna keep going anyway. That hole's nearly as big as your mum. Alright, now I'll show you what we're doing next. This is the fun part here. So I couldn't just leave that like this. For one of two reasons, because there's a gaping hole, and the second reason is this is now extremely flimsy, and when I'm doing sick drifts, well, not drifts, but when I'm cornering, and if I left this, I have a feeling that it wouldn't be fun. I don't know what would happen, but actually I'll just show you this real quick. There's that little muffler bracket. So what we got here is a sheet of 1.2mm cold rolled steel. That's what I was told to use by the steel. Lay it on here, trace it up, and we won't grind it out. We've got a cutter over there, and I'll take his over there and we'll cut it. That's about the squarest circle I've ever seen. So now that we've got the rough shape, I should be able to make it a little bit better than that. What we're doing here is putting a crease around the whole diameter, and we'll be continuing to do that around the whole circle. So as you can see, that's wobbly, and if we just weld that in, it's probably going to be making those noises whilst we're driving, which is goofy as fuck. So I'm going to put some creases. I've got whatever that is. It just puts like, I'll just show you. How about that? There we go. It's not perfectly straight, but it does still make those wobbly noises. So we're going to continue to make shapes in this piece of steel. Wow, that looks really bad. Jesus. Good thing it's under the car and you won't see it. I think that's good. It's nice and it's not making that noise anymore. I've just got it set up for welding. It was flexing a bit, so you can see some of the shapes I've added, you know. Huh? Yeah, now I'm just going to tack it up. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking, but there are massive gaps that I've somehow got to fill. Like, that's a pretty big gap. But I've never welded before. I have at school, but you know, I watch a couple of YouTube videos, so I should be able to do it really good. Just off a YouTube video I saw, I'm going to be running 20 CFH of gas, and then now I'm just going to tack this up and see how I go. Definitely worked. Let's do the rest. So, oh my god, I just popped out for a house inspection because I'm getting kicked out of home. I only got to tack weld I absolutely smashed it. As you can see, look at that. Yeah. So let's talk about what I'm doing wrong and what I need to do to fix it. I'm burning holes everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Turn down my pressure, change the wire speed. I think the gas is pretty good. It does make a nice, like sizzling, like I'm told it should sound like bacon on a pan. It is heating up way too quick and then just burning through. And it looks terrible. A bit disappointed in my craftsmanship with this one. Not the proudest thing I have made. It's a good thing to practice on because you don't ever see this anyway. You know, the carpet covers it, it's under the car. This is really just practice for when I get to weld my exhaust. What the fuck, just lettuce. Holy shit, I cannot see. That took a very long time. So, because of my shitty preparation, I had to fill those gaps with weld, and this is what I was left with. So those are some pretty shitty welds if you ask me, but there is no, it's watertight, there's no leaks. You can't even see it anyway, it's hiding under the carpet, so I'm just gonna clean those welds off and fucking call it a day. I didn't really learn anything. Next video I'll be welding an exhaust. It should be easier to weld because it's obviously won't be under the car, but you know, I'm often not right about those assumptions. I thought this would have been easy as piss, but it really wasn't. I'm going to get it outside and show you the after result. That's it. Leave a comment, tell me what you thought of that. A bit of a pointless mod, maybe. It does have some practicality somewhere. I just don't know what it is yet. After doing that, really makes me second guess my ability on being able to do a full exhaust system. So we'll see what happens. I'm a shit welder. That's okay. Thanks for watching this one. Keep liking it, keep subscribing it, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.